There are secrets lurking in the vaults that banks prefer to keep hidden, and we're diving to reveal these shocking money truths that banks don't want you to know. Number 1. You are losing money every year. Did you know? Every year, without realizing it, your money is quietly losing its value right under your nose. Sure, the bank seems like the safest place for your hard-earned cash, but here's the shocking truth they don't advertise. Inflation is slowly chipping away at your money's purchasing power. Today, you can buy something with a $50 bill, but in a year, that same item might cost a bit more, and in a decade, significantly more. It's not about bank fees or someone swiping your funds. It's about inflation, the stealthy rise in prices over time. You might expect your money in the bank to hold steady or even grow with interest, right? Unfortunately, most standard bank accounts offer a paltry 0.05% interest rate, while inflation in the US averages around 2%. Crunch the numbers. That's a potential loss of 1.95% in the value of your money each year. While you're hoping your savings are safe, they're actually shrinking in real terms. It's not just about keeping pace with inflation, it's about staying ahead of it. Don't let your money sit idly by. Take charge, explore your options, and make your money work for you. Number 2. Banks earn from your card transactions. Did you know that every time you swipe your credit or debit card, banks are quietly earning from your transactions? It's true. While you're focused on your purchase, behind the scenes, banks are raking in money through processing fees. These fees, often unnoticed by consumers, are borne by the merchants who might even bump up prices to cover these costs, safeguarding their profits. Let's break it down with an example. Say you buy something for $500 using your card. If the merchant pays a 3% fee on card transactions, that's $15 straight to the bank. The bank earns this just for providing the payment infrastructure. Ultimately, you, the consumer, indirectly foot the bill for these fees, as merchants adjust their prices to absorb these additional costs. Banks make a killing from credit cards too. Ever wonder why they offer so many perks just to get you to sign up? It's because credit card interest rates can be adjusted at their discretion, potentially increasing from the average 17% to 18% or even 19%. They can do this with just a notice buried in a statement, knowing most people won't dive into the dense legalese. If you carry a balance, compound interest starts to snowball against you, pushing you towards financial uncertainty. Credit cards themselves aren't inherently bad. They offer convenience and flexibility, but they demand vigilance. Pay off your balances every month to avoid falling into a debt trap. Understanding these nuances puts you in control of your financial choices. It's time to empower yourself with knowledge and make savvy decisions that safeguard your financial future. Number 3. Your money in the bank is not physical. Did you know? The money you see in your bank account isn't sitting there as physical cash. It's a digital mirage, a string of numbers and electronic entries. Banks take your deposits and churn them into loans for businesses, cars, and homes. While your balance stays put on screen, your money is out there, working overtime for the bank's profit. If everyone tried to withdraw their cash simultaneously, there wouldn't be enough physical bills to go around. This financial sleight of hand is known as fractional reserve banking. It lets banks play with your money, ensuring they have enough on hand for day-to-day operations while using the rest to fuel their own investments. Worried? Don't be. Your money is federally insured and protected, backed by the government's safety net. So rest easy knowing your funds are secure. Just remember, banking isn't like stashing cash under your mattress. Your money's on a mission to earn for the bank, not just sit idle. As for you, accessing your funds is a breeze anytime you need. But if the whole town decides it's time to cash out, that's when things get dicey. Number 4. Bankers are not your friends. Ever felt like your banker was your best buddy? They greet you by name, chat you up, and shower you with attention on birthdays and anniversaries. It's a convincing act, isn't it? But they're not your friends at all. Behind their warm smiles and friendly banter lies a carefully scripted performance designed to earn your trust. A banker confided in me about the playbook they follow. They make you believe they're on your side, not the bank's, all while subtly steering you towards financial decisions you never planned for. You find yourself with a $55,000 line of credit you never intended to take. That's the outcome of falling for their facade. It's not about you. It's about meeting their quotas and targets set by higher-ups. Failure to meet these benchmarks can cost them their job. Sadly, genuine care for clients often backfires in this cutthroat environment. Colleagues who dared to prioritize honesty and compassion over meeting targets found themselves swiftly shown the door. It's a harsh reality. You're just a number on a spreadsheet to them. Next time your banker flashes a bright smile and talks up their latest offers, tread carefully. Don't let yourself be emotionally blackmailed by their false friendship. Ensure any financial decision, especially loans, aligns with your needs and desires. Your financial well-being is too important to be swayed by their superficial charm. Number 5. Foreign transaction fees. Did you know? When you venture beyond US borders and swipe your credit or debit card, there's a sneaky little fee lurking in the shadows. Foreign transaction fees. These fees are a stealthy way banks make extra bucks off your international spending. Suppose a friend of yours went on a 15-day journey abroad, only to return home and face an astonishing discovery. Upon opening his bank statement, he was greeted with a shocking $105.05 in foreign transaction fees. That's right, just for using his card overseas. Most banks conveniently forget to mention these fees up front. It's like a hidden tax on your travels. Some credit card programs offer a lifeline by covering you in certain foreign countries, sparing you from these surprise charges. Imagine if my friend had known about this option before his trip. He could have saved a small fortune. The next time you're planning a getaway, remember this eye-opening truth about foreign transaction fees. Don't let your bank catch you off guard. Explore your options, find a card that suits your jet-setting lifestyle, and make sure you're not overpaying for your adventures abroad. Your wallet will thank you later. Number 6. Always check your accounts. Always keep tabs on your accounts. Your bank account isn't just a financial tool, it's a vital part of your daily life. Yet, did you know that lurking within could be sneaky charges you're completely unaware of? You notice an unfamiliar charge. Don't brush it off. Act swiftly. Report it to your bank without delay. Why? Within a 90-day window, if you report an unauthorized charge, your bank is legally bound to return your money within 48 hours. Yes, you read that right. No hoops, no delays. Banks might not want you to know this gem of consumer protection. They might try to stall or dodge their obligations. However, armed with this knowledge, you can confidently demand what's rightfully yours. Your money, your rights, they're legally protected. So don't hesitate to stand firm. Your bank is obligated to credit your account promptly. Number 7. You are being watched. Every move you make, every dollar you spend, banks are silently taking note. By law, banks are obligated to report any financial activity that raises an eyebrow to the IRS. This isn't just bureaucratic red tape. It's a safeguard against the shadows of financial crime, like money laundering. Any deposit or withdrawal over $10,000 triggers an automatic report. Imagine the IRS as a detective, peering into your financial transactions, seeking explanations and ensuring everything is above board. Their questions are simple yet crucial. Have you paid your dues to Uncle Sam? And were these transactions on the up and up? Remember, Big Brother isn't just watching. They're analyzing, scrutinizing, and ensuring transparency. Understanding this can help you navigate the financial waters with clarity and keep your financial record as clean as a whistle. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into finance, money management, and everything in between.